Today, we're diving into 5 incredible new robotic technologies that are set to transform our lives. From smart home solutions to educational tools, these products are not only cool but also incredibly functional. Let's get started. At first, Moprobo-Elevate, home flooring wash to commercial-grade depth. Imagine saving $1,000 annually on flooring maintenance costs while ensuring your floors are spotless. The Moprobo-Elevate is here to make that a reality. This revolutionary home flooring wash offers commercial-grade cleaning with 10+ scenarios in one device. Whether it's dirt, spills, or even broken glass, Moprobo-Elevate handles it all effortlessly. This device is equipped with an intelligent navigation system that maps your home to clean every corner efficiently. Its powerful suction and scrubbing capabilities ensure a deep clean that traditional methods can't match. The Moprobo-Elevate also has an automatic self-maintenance ability, meaning it cleans its own filters and brushes, reducing the need for manual intervention. Imagine coming home to spotless floors every day without lifting a finger. The Moprobo-Elevate makes it possible, providing a level of convenience and cleanliness that transforms your living environment. This device is perfect for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who wants to maintain a pristine home effortlessly. Number 2. ClicBot, your new favorite educational robot. Meet ClicBot, the smart and interactive robot that's not just a toy but an educational companion. Designed to teach kids coding in a fun and engaging way, ClicBot comes with over 200 reactions, making him a delightful addition to any family. ClicBot's modular design allows kids to build various robot configurations, sparking creativity and hands-on learning. It interacts with children through games, storytelling, and even dances, making learning enjoyable. The robot's friendly personality and interactive features keep children engaged while they learn fundamental coding concepts. ClicBot offers an intuitive app that guides kids through coding exercises, from block-based coding for beginners to more advanced Python programming as they progress. This versatile robot fosters creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills, ensuring that children are not just playing but also learning valuable skills for the future. Third on our list, the MiKoBots, a 3D printed 6-axis robotic arm. The MiKoBots is a 3D printed 6-axis robotic arm kit that brings industrial capabilities to your home or workshop. With open-source software and vision control features, this robotic arm is perfect for hobbyists, makers, and professionals alike. MiKoBots is designed for precision and versatility. Its 6 axes of movement allow for a wide range of tasks, from simple pick-and-place operations to complex assembly processes. The open-source nature of the project means that users can customize the software to suit their specific needs, making it a powerful tool for innovation and experimentation. The robotic arm includes vision control, enabling it to recognize objects and perform tasks with greater accuracy. This feature opens up possibilities for automation in various fields, from manufacturing to research. MiKoBots also offers extensive online resources and community support, making it easier for users to get started and make the most of their robotic arm. At number 4. Pupper 2, Open Source, ROS2 Robot Kit for Dreamers. The Pupper 2 is an open-source robot kit designed to make AI robotics accessible to everyone, from schools to enthusiasts. Compatible with Arduino, ESP32, Raspberry Pi, ROS2, and OpenCV, this kit provides a comprehensive platform for learning and developing robotics. Pupper 2 is designed to be easy to assemble and use, with detailed instructions and a supportive community. It includes sensors and actuators that allow it to navigate, detect objects, and interact with its environment. The robot is programmed using ROS2, a popular framework for robotics development, and OpenCV for computer vision tasks. This kit is ideal for educational purposes, providing students with hands-on experience in robotics and AI. It's also a great tool for hobbyists who want to explore new technologies and create their own robotic applications. Pupper 2 makes advanced robotics accessible and enjoyable, fostering a new generation of innovators. At last, UGOT Robotic Kit, future crafted now. The UGOT Robotic Kit is a versatile and powerful tool that allows you to build 7+ different robots. With its modular design, fast assembly, and powerful AI features, this kit is designed for both beginners and advanced users. The UGOT Robotic Kit includes a variety of components that can be easily assembled into different robotic configurations. It supports graphical programming for beginners and Python programming for more advanced users, making it a scalable platform for learning and development. The kit also works seamlessly with ChatGPT, allowing users to create robots that can understand and respond to natural language commands. This kit is perfect for educational settings, providing students with a hands-on introduction to robotics and AI. It's also a valuable tool for hobbyists and developers who want to experiment with new technologies and create their own robotic solutions. The UGOT Robotic Kit combines flexibility, power, and ease of use, making it a must-have for anyone interested in robotics. That's all for today's episode on Brain Discover. If you enjoyed learning about these innovative robotic technologies, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which robotic product you're most excited about. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.